Hi, I am Nathan. Let's talk about the problem today. We have this eye strain modern problem. In today's fast-paced technology world, a lot of people, millions of people are having eye strain problem, particularly because of the blue light exposure from using extensively from our gadgets, our phones, screen, TVs, our laptops. And this eye strains from blue light also affects the sleep pattern of most people. Sleeping today are less and less compared many years ago. And not just that, there's a lot of LED lights from buildings, in your houses, from our cars. All of this affect our eyes. And our eyes is the window to our soul. If this is affected, the way we see things, the way we perceive things, is gonna affect big time the way we look at things. And so today, I'm here to show you one of the best eye protection in the world from Prife International. This is called the Envy-Spec. The Envy-Spec emits 200 million negative ions every single day. Now that negative ion is like an oxygen in your eyes. It protects you from blue eyes. It gives you that powerful effect of circulation in your eye area. And not just that, it also helps you with your sleep. Protection from all these gadgets, it's so easy with Envy-Spec. Here are the benefits of Envy-Specs. First, it releases 200 million negative ions every day. That's great for you. Number two, it protects your eyes with that millions of negative ions. It allows your eyes to breathe freely as if you are in the forest because of the molecules. Next, it's great for oxygenation. There's a lot of oxygenation happening inside the eyes, which is great for freeing that eye strain. And it restores the eye vitality, making you feel even better. Next one, it improves the microcirculatory system within the eyes. And last, it's great to relax the eye muscles from all of that fatigue all over from the gadgets. So the Envy-Spec is one of the world's best. Get your Envy-Spec spectacle as soon as possible and enjoy a beautiful eyes. And coming soon, the Aurora Optics sunglasses, the energy glasses of the future.